Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert an old one pipe steam radiator to be used with a hydraulic heating system. The first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to remove two of those caps on the same side. Those are actually very hard to remove and it's extremely hard to do without breaking your tools or breaking the cap. And if you break the cap, it's actually better because it's much easier to take off. What I did is I accidentally snapped a piece of the cap here with a pipe wrench while I was trying to unscrew the cap, and then I decided just to try and cut a couple small cuts over here with my sawzall with a carbide blade. When you're doing that, make sure you use the slowest speed so you don't ruin your blade. Cast iron is extremely hard to cut. So once I had the cuts, I just used the sledgehammer and a chisel, and I just chiseled the pieces out, and that worked out pretty good. Also use this pipe wrench here with a 3-foot of cheater pipe to get the steam adapter off, and I was able to do that pretty easy. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install this thermostatic valve on the top with the appropriate adapters, and then the return valve on the bottom. Also, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to drill a small hole right here to install one of those air release valves, and this one is 1827 NPT, and I believe you need to use a 11/32 bit to drill that, and then use that tap to make the thread. And also on the other side, where the old steam release valve was, you're going to have to use one of those watts plugs. It's a 1/8 MIP, and you just screw that in. And when you give it a good paint job, you're gonna have a brand new cast iron radiator for hydraulic system, which will last a lifetime. And the reason I like those over the baseboard heating is those radiators actually accumulate some of the heat. Once you turn it off, it takes quite a while for the radiator to cool, while with the baseboards you just have to run your system all the time if you want this to heat. I hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.